We're back here at our favorite creek. It rained a lot in the last few days, but I think we're a couple days late getting here because the water's not really running anymore. But we'll see. Any catfish biting in here. At least the creek is full. If nothing happened, I'll have to go look at the other creek. See what it's doing. Alright, well, we wasn't getting any bites at that other creek. We're trying this one out now. Just a little ways down the road. Uh-oh, looks like I'm getting a bite. Maybe. Alright, well, we'll get back if they take it. Well, here's a nice cat. He took that bait and he was running with it. Anyway, that's part of dinner. Alright, we'll get back at it. We don't need no little mud cat. I need you to go back and tell the channel cat they got some chicken liver up here. Alright. Yeah. Another nice little catfish, little channel cat. If we keep this up, we're going to have a good supper. Alright, so far that's two nice channel cat and a little mud cat. And if we could get one or two more, that'd be great. But at least it's nice being outside. It sure is hot. Look at that, another mud cat. Or some people, I don't know, that's what I call them. But they never get very big. And I don't keep them, so he's going back. Alright, well, these two channel cats, that's all we got except for the mud cats. And that'll have to do for this time.